I heard across a moonlit sea the old voice warning me, beware, beware, the daughter of the sea, beware, beware of me. I heard across a moonlit sea the old voice warning me, beware, beware, the daughter of the sea, beware, beware of me. I heard across a moonlit sea the old voice warning me, beware, beware, the daughter of the sea, beware, beware of me.
So when I pitched this project, I was a bit worried that there might not be enough to do, which in hindsight is just a bit comedic. I think it came as a suggestion from one of our professors, J.E. Johnson, who suggested, well, why don't you try and make this thing practical for a theme park ride? I'm really glad we switched gears into that. It really helped ground a lot of things in some context for us, but oh boy, did it cause a lot of more work, which was a good challenge. There was the immediate transition of having to make everything not only actually lift and work in real time, but also have the ability to be scaled up, so that way this could be incorporated into a theme park and not be horribly large or horribly expensive.
Fairly early on in the project, maybe a month in or so, I would say, we had a team member that had to drop the class, and so that kind of shook up the roles that we had put ourselves in at the beginning of the class. I found myself transitioning from a more mechanical approach to things to a more artistically minded approach to the project. Instead of making things that move and telescope and lift up and down, it was more take up a paintbrush and do some paint detailing. The toughest problem that at least I faced this project, I think we faced this project, are these masts. And the original pitch, or once we transitioned to a theme park ride, the original pitch was to have these masts telescope up out of the water and essentially be compounding as they come out. So that's definitely been the toughest challenge so far.
So filming day was really chaotic. Our whole dry ice situation didn't go as planned, but luckily for Deepak, we were able to salvage our dry ice and use the footage in post.
Over the course of this project, I learned a lot of new skills like 3D modeling and printing, and I also got a lot of hands-on experience with pitching a project and selling an idea.
Over the course of the project, I learned CNC machining and basic circuitry alongside soldering.
In addition to skills like painting and 3D modeling, this project has really pushed us across disciplines and allowed us to collaborate in ways that no other college class has let us before.